Hi everyone, this is your girl once again, Temmyz here, and today, as I promised, I'm going to show you how to maintain your curly hair. Now, I'm going to be introducing one of my products to you, which is the Moisture Repair Spray. Moisture Repair Spray. A Moisture Repair Spray is a spray that you spray, it's a leave-in conditioner that repairs your hair. While it's repairing your hair, at the same time, it detangles it and keeps it in a defined way, and also it does not weigh the hair down. It doesn't make it heavy when you spray it on it. It makes it light even after you wear it on your head. So it's not like pouring a lot of water on your hair and then it now becomes very heavy. So now I'm going to show you how we're going to use it, and just stay tuned soon. So all you need for this is a towel, especially if you know you're already dressed for going out. But if you're not dressed for going out and you're still going to have your bath after that, then you don't need a towel. You can just apply it on. But it's advisable for you to protect yourself with a towel so that in case it drops on you. So I have a wig here. Now note that this spray, that's this moisture repair spray, can be used on deep wave, Pixie curl, Jerry curl, any curly hair whatsoever, and it can also be used on natural Afro-Caribbean hair to detangle your hair. So it's ideal because it's made from organic products. Now I have my towel all set with a clip. Yeah, so now this wig was made by me, Temmyz hair. So I'm going to apply the moisture repair on it. Now moisture repair, while you're applying it, you can as well use a serum on it. We have an organ oil serum that you can repair just a tiny bit. You apply it on the hair before you start using your moisture repair spray. Now to use this moisture repair spray, all you need a big comb. That's a wide mouth comb that you're going to use to comb the hair out. After using that, then you can use the smaller comb or a styling comb to make the curls defined. Then you need water, a little spray of water on the hair, just for you to be able to use it. So I'm going to start with the water. I'm going to apply a little water on it. Most people just do water on the hair, but it's not just water that you need to apply on this. And moisture repair spray will make it even silkier and finer. Now, if you notice, the texture of the hair is already changing with the water, but it's not very oily and silky as it's supposed to be. So I'm going to apply our moisture repair spray. You shake before you use, and then see. If it's not sealed when you buy it, please, it is not the original. It's sealed up and you need to break the seal. And even after use, you can lock it back and then open it. So what you do is spray it a little bit on the hair. So it keeps the hair moistured all through the day for as long as you want it to be. So while I'm spraying it, I'll continue spraying it. So you continue to comb it out. Just so you can see the difference. After applying the moisture repair, see the difference? Yeah. So moisture repair, please note that the moisture repair, it's not meant to be applied on a daily basis. It's once in a while because it retains the silkiness, the moisture, and the fineness of the hair after applying it. So all you need to do afterwards is just put a touch of water in your hand and then run your hand through you run your hands through your hair and you'll be fine. See, after applying the moisture repair, I can easily comb it, brush it out easily with the long comb, with the wide mouth comb, and see. So you need to be able to touch every angle of the hair and be sure that there is no tangle whatsoever anywhere. See, and then after that, you are now free to use your small styling comb, whatever small comb that you have in the house. You can use that to brush it out, see? So it bounces back while you're combing it. See? So even when the hair goes dry, it is still very, very silky in the hand. See, I'm going to show you all round right now. I'm going to show you the back of the hair. So, oh, 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 oh. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you feel me? So, moisture repair spray is an organic product. You can use it for children on their natural Afro-Caribbean hair. You can use it for adults. Can use it. You can use it on your human hair, and then it on deep wave, curly wave, pixie curls. Most of the curly hairs, you can actually apply this on it and it does not damage or break the hair. Now it says, I've written there that it's a light leave-in conditioner that instantly repairs and detangles without weighing the hair down. Now when it says without weighing the hair, that means the hair does not become heavy after applying so much water. See, I can easily bounce it. I can easily use my small comb to brush it through. So please patronize us. Check below, there's a link there that will lead you to where you can actually get one. You can get us on eBay, on Amazon, on Facebook, on all social media. Give us a call, purchase yours today and start using it. If you see online anything different from this or this packaging, then it is not ours. And then at the same time, please check, it's meant to be sealed. It has a lock here, so it should be sealed up. And then after once you purchase it, you need to break the seal and use it, and then you can lock it anytime you're through using it and keep it in the house because of children's safety and all that. So see, let's rock this hair. It's time to go partying. Time to go partying. Are you ready to go? Oh, come on, come on, go, 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 go. I'm flexing. Oh, come on. Oh, am I not looking beautiful? So, patronize us today. Thank you.